If you're watching this video, congratulations! You already are at grade level for CLAIM. So now we're going to keep pushing you a little farther by helping you organize your key ideas. This is the 8th grade level skill. That doesn't mean you can't do it in 6th grade. So CLAIM, as you of course know by now, is when you make an argument that answers a question. So you want to always restate the question. If the question is, should students have homework, your restating is students should not have homework because, and you always want to list 3 key ideas. Students should not have homework because it does not improve learning, some don't have parents who can help them, and many students have other after-school activities. Easy. You're probably doing this in your sleep. So now we're going to push you to a level 4 CLAIM. Level 4 rubric says, I clearly introduce my CLAIM and my key ideas throughout my writing. One idea leads to another. So how do you get a 4? Is by starting each paragraph with the CLAIM and one key idea, and keeping the paragraphs in the same order as the key ideas in the CLAIM. So what does it look like to start each paragraph with one key idea? So let's say your CLAIM is students should not have homework because, and your first key idea is they have less time for after-school activities. So your first paragraph is going to start with, students should not have homework because it prevents students from having enough time for after-school activities, such as sports or clubs. Notice how I'm taking that first key idea and the CLAIM. I'm not actually saying it in the exact same way because it's kind of boring, but I am starting the first paragraph with that key idea. The other important thing is you need to keep the paragraphs in the same order as the key ideas in your CLAIM. And I just realized my head is totally blocking the text, so I'm sorry about that. But keeping them in the same order. So what that looks like is, say students should not have homework because they have less time for after-school activities, they cannot spend much time with family, some students don't have parents who can help them. Okay, so our first paragraph starts with that first key idea. Our second paragraph starts with the second key idea. Our third paragraph starts with the third key idea. Notice how I'm not just copying and pasting like parts of a sentence in, I'm actually expanding these to be their own complete sentences. So I'm not just saying they have less time for after-school activities because that's just a fragment of a sentence. You're like, who, what are you talking about? So you have to say how, you have to make your key idea a complete sentence that relates to or includes the CLAIM. So now it's your turn. Here's our first example. What should the first topic sentence be for this CLAIM's essay? All right, in this example, you've got our CLAIM with our 3 key ideas. I want you to put the key ideas in order. A, B, and C, which order should they go in? All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.